Have you made an investment decision that didn't turn out just the way you expected it or the way you had planned? If that is you, then you are not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 7 investment mistakes that people make right here in Kenya and how you can avoid them to grow your wealth more smartly. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, this video is going to save you time, money, premium tears, and stress. Let's get started. The first mistake is not having clear financial goals. Many people invest without a clear goal. Are you saving for retirement, a house, or your child's education? You see, without a goal, it's going to be very hard to choose the right investment product. For instance, if you're saving for a short-term goal like vacation, for example, so taking your money and putting it in an investment like real estate might not be the best idea, you understand? So now, what's the solution then? Before you invest, define 2 things very clearly, and that is the goal and the timeline, because these are going to help you choose the right investment strategy. The second mistake is putting all your eggs in one basket. Investing all your money in one asset like land or a single stock is very risky. If that investment fails, you could lose everything. Imagine putting all your savings into a company's share and then the company performs poorly that year. Your entire portfolio suffers. Or something like putting all your money in crypto or forex, then you wake up to a crash and everything is gone. Just like that. What you do instead, diversify your investments across different asset classes like shares, special funds, rates, fixed income funds, and money market funds. Like, spread your risks. You get what I'm saying? Number 3, the third mistake is not doing enough research. Many people invest based on hearsay or trends without understanding the product. Doing this can actually lead to poor decisions. For example, jumping into crypto, again, because everyone is talking about it or it went past the roof and made so many millionaires here and there without understanding how it works or the risks that are involved. Instead of making this mistake, please do your research before investing. Google is your friend. YouTube has many answers. You can also talk to your trusted advisor or coach. Please understand the product, its risks and potentials before you put your money into it. Remember to use trusted sources like credible financial advisors, official reports, or reputable platforms. The fourth mistake is letting emotions drive investment decisions. Fear and greed can actually cloud your judgment. For example, selling shares during a market dip, out of fear, or buying a hot stock because everyone is talking about it. At that time during COVID pandemic, many people panicked and sold their shares at a loss, perhaps thinking that the world economy will crash and the end of the world is coming, only to miss out when the market recovered. The solution in this case is to stick to your investment plan and avoid making impulsive decisions. Remember, investing is a long-term game. The fifth mistake is ignoring fees and taxes. Many investors forget to account for fees, by the way, such as management fees and taxes, which can reduce your overall returns. For instance, there are these people who prefer buying bonds, who don't want to buy bonds directly from CBK, and they opt to use brokers, where they have to pay a commission or a fee that eventually reduces their overall earnings. For your own good, please read that fine print and understand the fees and taxes associated with your investment choice. Look for tax-efficient options, lesser management fees. Sawa? The sixth mistake is not having an emergency fund. Investing all your money without keeping some money aside for emergencies can actually force you to liquidate investments at a very bad loss, especially when the unexpected expense arises. Imagine having to sell your shares during a market downturn just to pay for a medical bill or a medical emergency. The solution to this: before you invest, build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in a liquid account like a savings account, and most preferably a money market fund account. The seventh mistake is chasing quick money. Where? Many people out here fall for get rich quick schemes or high risk investment promising some crazy and unrealistic returns. This has led so many to make losses. Think about the affiliate businesses that you've been introduced to recently. pyramid schemes, or unregulated forex trading platforms that have left many Kenyans counting losses. Focus on steady, long-term investments. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, sio sprint kabisa. So take your time. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone, a group that might benefit from this information, and don't forget to finger that subscribe button for more tips in investing in Kenya. And let me know in the comment section below, what's the investment mistake that you have made or seen others make? I'd really love to hear from you. Remember, investing is a journey. You are already one step closer to achieving that financial goal if you avoid these common mistakes. See you in the next video.